2025 wasn't about announcements. It was about execution. At SkyySkill Labs this year, learning moved out of classrooms and into real, working labs. Across multiple states in India, we set up over 30 industry-aligned labs, signed more than 30 MOUs with institutions, and delivered 30-plus faculty development programs, training over 150 faculties. More than 2,000 students worked on real machines, real systems, and real problems. And the results showed. A 90% placement rate, supported by a strong network of industry recruiters. From national recognition and policy forums to international skill exchanges, from campus expansions to in-house industry labs, 2025 was a year of growth, impact, and progress. – 2025 also saw meaningful visits and engagements. Industry leaders, founders, and decision-makers visited our labs and experienced hands-on training environments firsthand. Because collaboration is not about logos, it's about alignment. Alignment between education and industry, between learning and application. 2025 marked strong partnerships and the foundation for what comes next. Because skills are built in labs and careers are shaped through hands-on learning. 2025 was a milestone. The journey has only just begun.